Recently, a lot of homeowners have been asking, should I make repairs before listing my home? The short answer is yes. Hi, I'm Jayson Sidhu with RE/MAX Performance Realty, and today I'm sharing 3 things you can do to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. Number 1, have a pre-listing meeting. Meet with your agent before you list to go over which repairs are not really worth it. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money, so invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and net you a higher return on investment. It might be worth it to pay for a pre-inspection before you list. This way you can find exactly what might turn buyers away and fix it before you hit the open market. Number 2, choose between cosmetic and maintenance repairs. Most repairs fall into one of 2 categories: cosmetic repairs and maintenance repairs. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional and won't be a sticking point in negotiations. However, they can net you a higher return on your investment. High maintenance repairs take longer and require a larger investment, but they often fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want good offers from buyers. A good strategy likely involves doing some of each, so work with your realtor to find a balance that fits your needs. Number 3, proper repairs expand your buyer pool. The condition of your home is the most important factor you can control when selling because it expands your buyer pool. In today's market, buyers are pickier due to more selection on the market. However, you can still attract a lot of demand with a property that's in good condition. If you do the proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in from better qualified buyers. Work closely with your agent to create a strong marketing strategy, and you might even create a bidding war and naturally drive up your price. I hope this helps. I share these tips to help you make intelligent and informed decisions regarding your most important investment, your home. Now, if you'd like to connect to discuss your real estate goals in this fast and ever-changing market, or if you have any questions at all, you can do so by calling me at the number below. Thanks again, and we'll see you next month.